Clinton. Clinton? 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 It's okay, boy. Clinton? Clinton? If you want a greenie, all you have to do is ask for a greenie. See, if you ask for a greenie, I'll get you a greenie. You don't have to steal the greenie, little Clinton. How about you say thank you to Mars Pet Products, but also all these lovely people from YouTube that decided that you were worth a greenie. Good boy. It was a good little Clinton. It was a good Clinton. Good boy. Oh, I love you, kitty. I love you so much. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Good Clinton. Wham, you just bulldozed Oreo.